hiking and London club in Marseille. Basilique Notre-Dame de la Garde, known to local citizens as la Bonne Mère. An emblematic figure of the city of Marseille, she watches over sailors, fishermen and all Marseille residents. Admire the panorama that awaits you from the top of the hill. Indeed, it is visible from all four corners of the city and faces the Mediterranean Sea in all its grandeur. Cathédrale La Majeure. It is the only cathedral built in the 19th century. The first stone of La Majeure was laid on September 26, 1852 by Louis-Napoleon Bonaparte. Its dimensions, comparable to those of St. Peter's Basilica in Rome, allow it to welcome 3,000 people. Plage du Prado, Prado Beach. It is the largest beach in Marseille, used by the locals to do outdoor sports. Vieux Port, the old port of Marseille. This is where you can feel the atmosphere of Marseille, between the fish market and the excitement of the city centre. This traditional fish market and its fishing boats preserve the image of a city facing the sea. The bars and restaurants on both sides of the river make it an essential place to stroll. La Vieille Charité, the Old Charity. It was built to gather the poor natives of Marseille in a clean place. Later it became a hospice for the elderly and children, and also it was occupied only by poor inhabitants living in miserable conditions. Since 1986, it has been a multidisciplinary centre with a scientific and cultural vocation for the city of Marseille. Palais Longchamp. It is a must-see in Marseille. With a beautiful surrounding park, this historical monument was built to bring water to the city and is a true architectural achievement.